Thank you for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and we've got the airliners out again. This is my tribute to Remy RC and the fun we had at Airliner Treffen in Germany last weekend. That's not an airliner, mate. This is an airliner. Who am I kidding? So what we're going to try and do is fly in formation. Right, Jason? Aren't we? We're going to try.
Yeah, you're going to follow me.
Yeah,
I'll be the lead pilot. You follow me again.
I thought you were going to follow me. All right, let's go.
So when are you going to start the formation, guys?
Well, I'm doing steady circuits at like 5 feet, and this guy's flying like he's an F-16.
Bit of porpoising going on. Yeah.
Outside the pack. It's a miracle if we're in the same frame.
Swap and shy.
Going for the limbo.
Whoa.
Limbo.
Are we going for limbo?
Yeah, let's go to limbo.
Hey, very true.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? I wouldn't say that was straight, Jason, I'm afraid.
Here we go, here we go.
First attempt.
This thing flies so slow.
Hey!
10 points. Look at that! Precision! Precision airliner. We're staying more together now that we've got an object to fly through, haven't we? Oh, look at that.
Oh, touch and go.
Oh! Robbed!
Such control.
Oh, I've done the loop. How did that work? I'm going to try and do a loop around the tape.
Oh, what? Turned off 3D mode. Turn.
Oh.
Alright, it's getting dangerous now.
I'm going to stall.
Yes. Well recovered.
Oh. That post has just got a magnet in it, I'm sure.
Oh, I nearly done a loop through it. This is possible though.
We're going to try a loop.
Oh, really?
Oh, okay. Better power management.
About a power now.
Brilliant. So what we got here, we got the XK A120, which is the A380, and you've got what, the 747?
The A150,
The A150.
747.
Both pretty good, I have to say. So we're getting about 6-7 minutes out of them.
Yeah, good 7 or 8 minutes.
Yeah, so good fun. So look them up on the product link that's in the video description, but thanks for watching this one. See you next time.